Welcome back to the Loner Ranger Radio Show with Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage. I'm the Loner Ranger here on this beautiful Sunday morning. Hoping you're enjoying the day. I appreciate you listening to my show. I hope you find value in it, whether you are looking to buy or refinance a home. I know you know somebody, and I'm always looking for people like you that can help refer me to their friends and family. I can promise you, you won't find a person that'll take better care of your friends and family than I will. My team is dedicated. Absolutely dedicated to making sure that you have the best customer experience. And since I'm a national lender, I'm in all 50 states. I can help you anywhere. And since I'm a big lender, it gives me a lot of buying power. So our interest rates and terms are the best in the industry. Plus, we have programs that most other lenders couldn't even touch. Now, most lenders will do FHA, VA, and conventional loans. Some do USDA. Okay. I do USDA, I do down payment assistance programs, I do renovation loans, conventional FHA and VA renovation loans. That means you can rehab your home. You can buy a home that needs a lot of work, and I can redo the home for you any way you want it. Or we can do construction perms. Most lenders don't even have construction perms. Those do mostly just have conventional, and they want unbelievable credit scores, and they want 20% down. Not a lot of people can do that. So I can go as little as 10% down on a conventional construction perm. But I've got FHA loans for construction perms. I don't know anybody else that's got that. Construction perm FHA, 3.5% down. Insane. Now, how about VA? 100% financing up to $1.5 million on VA with no money down. I mean, who's got that? Lone Ranger's got it. Then you combine that with my teacher, law enforcement, first responder, educator, nurse and healthcare worker. I got programs that'll blow you away, save you thousands of dollars. And if you don't have a real estate agent already and you want me to connect you with a really good one, I'll connect you with a really good one, and we'll work at getting some closing costs paid for you in addition to what the program does. It's a no-brainer, guys. Then you got other programs that I have that are for down payment assistance. Okay, you want down payment assistance? Trying to get in a home for a little money as possible? I can connect you with all the municipalities and all the local government programs that allow for down payment assistance. You know that loan officers have to be certified and go to all of those classes. Yours truly's done them all. There's not too many around that I haven't done. So I can help you with that as well. What about VA? Zero down. USDA? Zero down. Gift programs. And as a direct lender, I don't have any overlays. So a lot of your banks and credit unions, they've got these massive overlays which are basically, they're making it more restrictive for you to be able to buy based on additional conditions they have to mitigate risk. I don't have any of that. I don't do it. Realtors love working with us. Why? Because I approve more financing, more loans than any other lender out there. Okay, we're in all 50 states. We're lending billions of dollars a month, closing tens of thousands of clients every month. So we're a big company, but we operate like a small operation. That's why I give out my personal phone number, 407-706-3313, or WeBringYouHome.com. Want to get into one of my classes? Learn how you can become a homeowner? Maybe you're a first-time home buyer. You want to know the tricks of the trade. How can you get your offer accepted? Maybe you're a move-up buyer and you want to buy a bigger home because you got a bunch of equity in the one you have. I can help you with that. Maybe you're a jumbo and you want to buy high-end up to like $3 million. I can take care of that for you. No problem whatsoever. I got the programs. Maybe you're self-employed and you don't show any money on your tax returns, but you got good credit, you got money in the bank. I've got bank statement programs. I have literally everything you can think of. There's only two types of loans I don't do. I don't do lot or land loans, and I don't do commercial loans. I do everything residential. So if that's what you're looking for, that's what you get with me. You get the best in the business, and I say that with confidence. I'm going to tell you something. I know my team is better than any other team that I've seen out there. Why? Because I've trained each and every one of them not only to know their products, not only to know their guidelines, but how to cater to you, how to make sure that you get a great experience. That's why I know you're getting the best. Why would you go anywhere else? You got a local guy right here in town, live here, right in Central Florida, raised my children here. main office is in Fairbanks at I-4 in Fairbanks and Winter Park. You can stop in and see me. I got lots of folks come in here and see me. I love meeting with you. I want you to consider me your friend. I want you to be my friend. I want you to know you can count on me. How many businesses that you go out there and deal with right now that you think really care about you? It's funny because I bank at a bank that used to be BB&T and SunTrust, and they merged into another name right now that nobody understands the name of it. And I saw their commercials, and I saw a B of A commercial, and they're like, their commercials are like they're going fishing with you, and they're the best friends with you on the weekend, and they're eating pumpkin pie with you on Thanksgiving. It's ridiculous. I'm telling you something. I even bank there, and it's a nightmare. I'm telling you, these people at these banks and these big banks, you think they're your neighborhood friend because the teller's nice. The bank itself is not your friend. I can't stand banks. I've been in the banking business my whole life. I think they're all a bunch of crooks, and I think they take advantage of us. If you don't think so, then bank at your bank. Go get a mortgage from your bank. Try me. See the difference. It's significant. It's absolutely significant. You need a better experience. Why has this planet gotten so away from good customer service? People that care about you. People that you can come in and see. You don't even have to wear a mask when you come in and see me if you don't want to. I ain't got no COVID. If you ain't got no Rona, then come on in without your mask. Okay? Let's just be safe about it. Let's do the right thing. But you can come in and see me. I have clients come in and see me every day of the week. Every day of the week, I got several clients who come in and see me. My team and I are here to cater to you. So choose me, 407-706-3313 or WeBringYouHome.com. Got a new report out here for some local prices. I thought I'd share them with you because, you know, the whole thing with housing going up and interest rates going up has got a yin and a yang to it, because depends on what side of the fence you are as to whether you love it or hate it. Because if you already own property, you love it. You love it. If you don't own property, you're trying to get in the game. You're just trying to get in the game. You got to get in the game. I don't care what it takes. You buy a home right now. Here's why. Right now, your average median list price we'll carve this out and say Seminole County. Okay. You guys are all within close proximity, Seminole County. It's middle America. Same as Orlando. Median list price, 2022, $375. 2021, $310. Median sales price listen to this. So median list price right now is $375 in Seminole County, but the sell price is $377. So they're averaging $2,000 more than the asking price across the board. Across the board. That's an average. Last year it was $4,000 under ask price. Now it's $2,000 over ask price. Pretty incredible stuff. The market is continuing to move. I read an article that is a national post, and it cited many different cities throughout America. And I dissect this because I don't share this stuff with you if I don't think it's true. However, by the way, write this number down, 407-706-3313 or WeBringYouHome.com. Buy, sell, refinance, you call me. So I was reading this article, and it is telling us that, and it cited Daytona, Jacksonville, Tampa. It didn't cite Orlando specifically, but some towns around it, that we are expecting that your average median sales price, get this, strap in, baby, strap down, park the lawnmower, park the vacuum cleaner, median sales price that's now $350, $360, $640, double by 2025, 2026. Okay. So now, you ever went back and went, wow, I wish somebody told me how to get rich? I'm telling you how to get rich. Buy a bunch of properties, and then in 2026, if you want to sell them then. You're already going to be rich. You can do it. So what we want to do is buy one property per year for the next 6 years. Okay, let's just keep doing that. Then you can buy them owner-occupied, live in each one, rent it out, keep it, then we'll sell it later. That's my Leapfrog program. I developed this. I did it myself. I didn't have a lot of money, you guys hear me say I'm a high school dropout. I don't have a higher education. I don't have a finance degree. But by God, you want help on knowing how to make money in real estate? You want to know how to make money? You getting the best mortgages? Then call me, the Loan Arranger. I'll help you. And I don't charge you $1,500 to go to one of my weekend seminars. Okay. I think it's well worth you paying me that, but I don't charge it. 407-706-3313 or WeBringYouHome.com. If you know somebody that's currently renting, reach out to them and say, I'm sorry, I should have referred you to my friend Bruce Woodburn, the Loan Arranger, a long time ago, but you need to get started right away. If you know somebody that didn't refinance when interest rates were in the 2s, the 3s, the 4s, 5s, maybe 6s coming up, 7s, 8s, I'm telling you, I don't think 8.5 is out of the question coming around the corner. I really don't. I don't think it's out of the question. So if you did not debt consolidate, call me right away. Now listen, if you got a 4.5% interest rate right now and you're paying PMI, I'm not going to tell you to refinance. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it right now. Call me. I'll analyze it. I'm one of the only lenders that you can guarantee you can count on me. You can guarantee count on me. I will always discourage you from doing something financially that does not benefit you. If it doesn't benefit you, I'm not going to tell you to do it. I don't need one more loan to try to persuade somebody to doing because I need to pay my bills this month. No, I'm one of the biggest producers in the country. I don't need one more. You know what I do need? I need one more of you that you can count on me. You can trust that I'm going to give you accurate information. You can trust that I'm not going to give you the BS and lead you down this garden path to me picking up one more loan. No, I don't want it. I don't need it. I'd rather tell you the truth. And most of you should have refinanced. But those of you that didn't, I only am really looking at major debt consolidation or divorce situations right now. Like I got a couple of them right now. Unfortunately, families getting divorced. They got to split up some assets. So we're looking at doing some refinancing. Other than that, let's just say you have a 3 3/4 rate. I can't get you 3 3/4 rate anymore, but I can wipe out $1,500 a month worth of debt. And now your new loan, let's say, is 5%. Ooh, you're like, wow, that's a big jump. Yeah. But if I can save you $800, $1,000, $1,500 a month, then we take that money that we're saving and we put it back into the mortgage. And now you have no debt and no mortgage in 15 years, maybe 10. So don't look, let's look at the whole picture. You can't grade a birthday cake by just the flour. Just eating the flour would be horrible. But once you mix it with sugar and all these other ingredients, it tastes great. So let's just look at the facts and come up with a solution for you. 407-706-3313 or WeBringYouHome.com. Want to make money in real estate? I'll show you how to make money in real estate. Oh, by the way, last week I had my very first class that I taught for young adults, 15 to 24 years old. I think the average age group that was in my class was 17 years old. I'm super proud of you guys for going through that class. It was my first one. I'd never taught that class before, but it was all about how to get youth understanding how to open up a checking account, use a debit card, get their first credit card, responsible borrowing on a credit card. How do you pay it off? Never be late. And then how do you accumulate wealth between the ages of 12 and 21 years old. I think maybe I even went to 24 years old through college years. So listen, I will show you how you can start your kids off early and you're going to have great American kids, great people that will be members of society that are contributors, not these participation trophy sucking off the system people that are patted on the back for not even doing a good job. Why would we do that to people? Do we think we're doing them a favor by patting people on the back and praising them for doing lousy? I don't think that's the right thing to do. I really don't. My kids didn't get it. They got encouragement. They didn't get somebody berating them for doing a bad job. Well, maybe once or twice. I don't know. I might have screwed up a few times. So, but the fact of the matter is we want to keep our kids going in the right direction and help them become great, productive people in society. I'll be back in 5 minutes with more of the Lone Ranger Radio Show with Bruce Woodburn and Cross Country Mortgage. You can reach me at 407-706-3313 or WeBringYouHome.com. That's 407-706-3313. Text or email, WeBringYouHome.com. Be back in 5.